Right now I will quickly show you the best camera features on the Redmi A5. So let's go for the camera application, and from here we will start with the Ultra HD mode, which basically allows you to take pictures in some high resolution with some good quality. Next, in this video right here, do we have anything? Actually not, just a regular video recorder. Here also in this photo, here we can actually, as we press this arrow right here, we can also enable the HDR, which also allows us to take some better pictures. And also right here we can toggle the watermark. And as we turn it on, we have two watermarks right here. We can select any of these, we can edit it, and here we can customize our watermark if you want to actually show it, what contents we want, like the time, device model, and here we can also set up the custom text and the position of the watermark, either top or bottom. So yeah, right here we have the portrait mode, nothing much actually, just a regular portrait mode. But right here at these two last things, what you can find is the night mode, and with this mode you can actually take pictures at the night and they will look pretty nicely. And right here there's the time-lapse, which is actually the most interesting feature in the camera of the Redmi A5 in my personal opinion, since right here you can set up some more settings, actually parameters for these recordings, and also you can change the speed of this time-lapse and also duration of your time-lapse. So this is pretty interesting, and unfortunately this phone doesn't actually have higher frame rate than 30 FPS actually, and you cannot record in 4K or anything like this. There's only 1080p actually. So yeah, and also actually we can go into the camera settings. So right here in the settings we can also toggle the watermark. Here we have the picture quality, we can set up high, standard or low, and right here we can also mirror front camera, and there is the shutter type. Next, in the video right here, you can change the video encoder, as you can see, for either high quality or high performance. And in the general settings, right here we can toggle the grid lines, which can help you with making a picture, the kind of professional pictures. You can also enable the center mark or straighten these grid lines. We can also right here toggle the shutter sound, and here also the very cool feature for the camera right here is the volume buttons function. So we can either set up the shutter on these volume buttons, or we can set up timer or the zoom, which in my opinion is actually a pretty nice feature right here. And this basically right here should be all of these cool camera features, the best camera features actually for the Redmi A5.